there are a few elements that set a good help desk apart from a bad one. I think it really comes down to user experience. And are you considering the persona of the user that you're talking to on the phone, their specific environment that they're in, how they're utilizing their devices, and all the other circumstances that are really important to creating a tailored experience that's going to ultimately benefit that particular user. I think it also comes down to how quickly are you resolving the issue that they have, and are you providing them a good experience by leaving them on hold for a long time and not being able to answer a call quickly. And a lot of those considerations come down to the upfront planning of your overall help desk strategy. And you really need to have that good feedback loop between a company that understands their end users really, really well, and making sure that you're factoring in all those different nuances into how you're going to tailor and support those customers. I think there's a few different performance factors that you should track when you're trying to measure the effectiveness of your overall help desk. One is really your overall Net Promoter Score, which is an industry standard. And what it really tells you is the overall experience that you've provided to that end user, and would they recommend you to any one of their other peers or customers. So it's a really good benchmark and industry standard that everyone should be looking at in terms of an effective call center. I think there's a few more that I'd highlight. One is first call resolution, which is a really important factor. How effective are you as a help desk in actually resolving the customer's issue and doing it the first time? So a customer isn't having to call back and you're having to resolve it a second or even a third time. I think average speed to answer is another really important one that comes down to customer experience. Anyone who's ever had to call into a help desk knows the experience of what sitting on hold is like, or talking to a robot or a machine. So how quickly your help desk is able to answer those calls is a great first impression to anyone that's calling into that help desk.